screws and handles. Oh, that other oil was frozen up. That's the oil. Screws. Goes up here. Let's see. This is too long. I'm gonna have to cut about an inch off. Okay, be right back. Okay, so you have to make sure when you cut it, make sure you put it up here and it fits. It has to swivel. It has to come out like that. This is your support screw. It goes in the middle, starter screw. So basically the directions say, drill your hole, only put one this long screw in here, but don't screw it all the way in. So I had to screw it closer because I'm gonna have to take this out because this trim piece is throwing me off because it's got to butt up to this trim piece. So mine's kind of difficult and stupid. So I'm gonna take this out and push it forward. Ah. This one is way bigger. The other one was not this difficult. It makes no sense whatsoever. Then you just squeeze. There we go. It is now on. Oh my God, this on down. Okay, so now we got the holes are drilled. And then you should fit. Fit. For the next one. If your door opening is not 80, you're gonna need something, I mean, it's taller than 80. Yeah, because ours is taller than 80. You're gonna need something to stand the door on. So, put this up here. And then figure out which way you want to open the door. I don't really care. Whatever, this is rental property. It is what it is. So these are now oiled. For whatever reason, they are breaking. The screws are breaking. I didn't have that in the other room. I think it must be slipping through a crack. So I'm gonna have to make more holes. get one. Weird. These are about the same length as the ones I just took out. Yeah, they just broke off. So I believe they just screwed into a crack and the top just broke off. So we're gonna fix that. So now what happens is this thing right here is to measure the closing side and to measure actually for the closure where the magnets go. So you're gonna measure this side for these where the handle is not. They give you an extra wheel, like I'm gonna keep those, probably not. And these are the snippies. They go on this just like this. The little hanging teeth is open. Not this way, this way. So this is how they go, vertical. And don't tighten them up yet because you may have to loosen them up or whatever. I swear this is missing a wheel, but I didn't make it. I have to go look at the other one. I don't know, it's kind of weird. See if it lines up right, and then that's okay. Yeah. Look. Where is this missing one? So weird. And then snap it, snap it, snap it. Make sure they're in there. Snap. Boom. Okay. What the fuck is that? Stupid shit. Okay. Then take this, because I thought this was an extra piece. Like, why did they give us an extra piece? Yeah, no, you gotta put it on. It goes on this side to close it up with the magnets. I mean, the metal with the magnets on the door. So you can mark it on your wall a little bit just so you know where it goes. I just kind of put it up here. Pretty much. The bottom of that one, right? That's okay. These can go in without drilling holes, but if you want to drill a hole before, you can, but that's probably pretty much just drywall. Be alright. Now let's check it. The bottom is always weird. Okay. Open side, it's the open. Okay. And then now these are gonna go up here, wherever, I think the magnet, okay, that one fell. But the magnet falls right here. So when you measure it, close the door and just line this up with the magnet and then slide it in there, mark your drill holes or your screw holes and put them up. That's what we're doing right now. Da-da. There you go. Simple, easy closet door. There's some about 4 inches on the bottom. But I was not about to put a 4x4 up there just to lower that. I don't care. This is rental property. And I have no clue how long these doors are gonna last, but right now, that's what they get. Also, if you put another 4-inch up here, then you just have a hard time trying to get up there and put stuff in my finger. You just have a hard time. So it's like, whatever, it is what it is. Even if it was rental property, these are pretty cool doors.